Hi. So, it's been a while, guys. Work has been murder. Life has been good, good, but also a lot. So much work. Oh, sorry, I'm tired. It's Friday, finally. I've started working out a little bit and took up my old sport, which is handball, which I haven't played for 23 years. So I've been training with the team and played 2 matches now. Also, kid with 2 trainings per week work. So, and when I go a few days without eating chilies, it's sometimes kind of hard to get at it again because even if it kind of looks like I enjoy pain, I don't kind of do, even though I like the burn somewhat, but yeah, I need to be in like the chili zone, doing it almost daily for me to enjoy it at fullest. But nevertheless, Nordic chili, which is a guy from Norway, another one of those sadists, he has sent me a whole bunch of chilies. Let's see here on this list. He has sent me 19 different types of chilies. The one I'm gonna eat today is this is a gasoline, which I'm reading about is a hybrid cross of brown butla and something called euphoria. It's I can't find any info about the Scoville, but it's probably high up there. It's probably I have burned my tongue today, so I'm not kind of looking forward to this, but also I am because I need to get into it. I have like a big pile here. I also have Freedom, Boot Orange, Copenhagen, Thunderstorm, Reaper, Spagliato, Purple Peach, Chocolate Primotali Caramel, Hydra, Mustard Primotali, Gator Jigsaw, Purple, Primotali Peach, Red Skunk, Douglas Infection, V2, Fox Dark Naga, Ruby, Carolina Reaper, Pink, Tiger, Viola, Alien, Metamorphos Black, Fadas Boar, Claw Purple, Jigsaw Red, and something unknown. So that's a huge list. This pile is big. I'm going to start out slowly with just gasoline today, and I hope I can do this guy who sent me. His name is Christian Haraldsen. My memory is kind of sucky, but it's kind of funny. My name is Christian. The sadist name is Christian, and I have found another Christian to send me hot peppers and try to kill me. By the looking of this pile, he's going after me big time. But let's see if I can enjoy this without losing my glasses. Looking at you, Roger. Let's go. I haven't eaten something hot in at least a week. I think it's a week, maybe 8 days. No, 9 days. 9 days is the longest break I've had from eating chilies in a long minute. It has the Chinese sweet flavor, the fruity one, in the beginning. Then it got a bit bitter on me for my palate. The burn is good. It's not attacking my tongue as much as I was afraid it would. It's all over my mouth. Not so much back in my throat yet. It's at the back of my tongue. It's a good burn. It's a good start. I have 19 different types, I think. Some of them are perhaps more than one. I'm not sure. Perhaps there's only one of each, which is fine, of course. I have never eaten a mustard one. There are some orange ones here also. I haven't tasted those before, so I'm looking forward to that. It's still mostly at my tongue. I can feel it just like around in my mouth, but it's not murdering me. My stomach though is not gonna be happy with me later on, since it hasn't experienced this in a little while now. Oh, this is the unknown. I'm gonna take seeds from some of these and grow for my winter project. I've taken a couple of plants in for now, which I'm just waiting for the pods to go ripe, and then I can harvest them and give the plants away. The rest are just standing outside, going to just let them pass peacefully. Yeah, nose running. 8 minutes. I'm not gonna bother keeping you here. I think the entertainment is over. But it was nice to see you again. Thank you. Hope you missed me enough to watch. Have a nice evening. PS Norwegian Roger. Jeg måtte sjekke. Du bor faktisk bare 10 minutter unna meg. Så things to do. Vi snakkes. Goodbye everyone. For now. Ta-ta.